Okay, we're doing another video here. Somebody watched that last one, said this is Mike's first time driving, and I haven't driven it either, but said we should be, you can shift through the gears on this to get to that upper gear, which we didn't do on that last video. That's why it was lugging a little bit, but now Mike's going to try it for the first time, seeing if we can do the correct type of shifting to get it into a higher gear. Nice and third, okay, good. Fourth. Yeah, so that's how we should have done it. Hit the brakes. You want to show the brakes, maybe start out in second gear and maybe show the brakes. The brakes. Oh. Is that what you did there at the end, the brakes? Were you braking it at the end? Braking it. Yeah, I wanted you just to show the brakes.
While I'm moving?
Yeah, to show how good the brakes are.
Oh.
Just, okay. Do that right real quick. We'll wrap it up here. Okay, maybe once more. Are you in first gear or second? That was first. I'll get on this side. Okay, go second maybe. Second, brakes. Okay, good. All right, great. Okay, thank you.